Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a super interesting and the best one to try during summer. So let's see how to make ice cream sandwiches. So first let's make some ice cream. You need a chilled bowl and a chilled whisk. And here I'm using Amul whipping cream that is also chilled. If everything is chilled, then you can whip up the cream really fast. Whip the cream till you get stiff peaks. Now add in half tin condensed milk and whip it. Add few drops of vanilla essence, and if you want to add any other flavor, you can add at this point of time. Once everything is well combined, pour it into a freezer safe container and freeze it overnight or 6 to 8 hours. Now let's make the cookie base. Into a bowl, add in room temperature butter and whisk it using a spatula just to make it slightly fluffy. Now add in half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. Combine it really well. You can also adjust the sugar according to your required sweetness. Now drop in 1 egg and some vanilla essence and mix it. Sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it. Now without this main ingredient, our cookie dough is not complete. That is a lot of chocolate chips. Now take a baking tray or a baking pan and line it with parchment paper and add the cookie dough. Now carefully spread the dough to a less than half centimeter thickness. Now place another parchment paper on top and spread it evenly. Now bake this in a 190-degree preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, allow it to cool down and then transfer it into a plate and then give a cut at the middle. Now keep this tray in freezer for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, our cookie base got really firm. Now our ice cream is also ready. Take around 2 to 3 scoops of ice cream on top of the cookie base. This homemade vanilla ice cream is really creamy and tasty. You can also add in some chocolate chips in the ice cream for more taste. Now place a second layer of cookie on top of the ice cream and press it. Now slowly fill in all the gaps with the ice cream. And again freeze it for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, our ice cream sandwich is ready. Now all the freezing time depends upon the climate at your place. Here it is super hot summer, so that's why I'm freezing it now and then. Or else you can directly sandwich the cookie with the ice cream and have it. Now cut the ice cream sandwiches in the desired shape and just enjoy! This is the best recipe to beat the heat during this summer. So do try it out and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.